every evening. I give myself permission to slow down. My night routine isn't just about skincare or checking off tasks. It's about telling my body and mind that rest is safe and that I deserve peace. My intention? To go from a day of active thoughts and decisions to a night of deep, nourishing rest. I aim for 7 to 9 hours, not out of habit, but because I know my healing lives there. This routine is rooted in what some call lucky girl syndrome. But here's the science behind the magic. In the back of your brain lives your Reticular Activating System, your RAS for short. Filters through 11 million pieces of information every second, but your mind can only hold 26. So each morning, the RAS asks, what matters today? If you wake up exhausted and say, this day's gonna suck, it listens and it finds every way to prove you right. But if you gently say, I'm lucky, I'm peaceful, your brain starts finding proof of that instead. Before bed, I pour into my spirit, maybe a few verses from the Bible, or even a short read from the New York Times. Something gentle, something real. My skincare ritual is a full ceremony. Cleanse, nourish, Gua Sha. I never skip dry brushing, ever. It stimulates lymph flow and connects me to my body, and it seems like it just rejuvenates my tiredness so that I can make it through my entire routine. I'm telling you, it's like snapback. Dinner's done by 7. I keep it light and loving. A giant salad. Natural carbs help me wind down. Sometimes I drink chamomile tea, but tonight I decided a green smoothie would seal the deal. After dinner, I clean the kitchen completely. That's part of the ritual. It signals to my brain, we're closing this chapter. If I haven't hit my 8,000 steps, I hop on the treadmill. Movement clears the mind too. I journal my affirmations, my wins, my tomorrows. I do the mirror exercise and then I stop. I read a little and I rest. Lights out by 10. This isn't just a routine. It's my reset. My soft power return to me. You don't need to earn rest. You already do enough. Good night.